Hey WordPress League, I am Govind back again with another new episode. This time I will share something interesting with you. In this tutorial video, this is not a tutorial video, it's an information sharing video. In this video we will get a idea where you can get a royalty free music without spending a single penny. Even you don't have to give the copyright claim or give a credit to the author of the audio, to the singer or the audio maker. I will share a hidden treasure for royalty-free music for YouTube content and for other purpose users. Actually, I was a bit frustrated with the copyright claim issue. I purchased the audio file from Envato Elements audio sections, and here you can see how much copyright claim I get when I have added this music to my YouTube video. Every time I have to submit that I have purchased my license. It's so much irritating, it's so much time consuming, it's so much frustrating as well. If you have if you have an option to monetization, then it's also be challenging for you. In that case, I want to get rid from that hassle, and I came to know a ultimate treasure and for the music sections. So what did you find? Here is the process. It's available on your YouTube. Go to your YouTube channel. On YouTube channel or YouTube homepage, login, and after login, you will get this interface. This is my YouTube channel. You can go to you have to go to the YouTube Studio. You can jump on the YouTube Studio from here by clicking the left side bar of the YouTube videos. It will redirect to your YouTube Studio. Here is your YouTube Studio. This is my YouTube Studio. You have to go there. Or if you want to jump on the YouTube Studio, you can jump it from here. Sorry, my bad. You can jump it from here to YouTube Studio. It's the same page. This is the dashboard. Okay, this is my YouTube Studio. So here is my YouTube video content section, and from where you can get the treasure of the plenty of royalty free musics. Just again jump on the left sidebar. Here you will get an audio library. Click here. This is the treasure. You will get the license type, YouTube audio library. You are free to use the audio track in YouTube videos, including videos that you monitorize. So there are options. So you can add this type of. You can do anything. So they have a plenty of music. They have sound effects. You will get free music. You can start your music items. Here I have started so many music items for myself. You can search, you can filter how many the genre. You can filter by the genre. The pop music, you can select the rock or jazz. Just filter in this way. You will get these options. Also, we can download very easily. This is free to download. Just click the download button. It will be appear here. The download pop-up is here. So this is the way how you can select royalty-free music. You don't have to use. You're free to use for your videos, including no attribution is required. This is awesome. This is a free tool, and continuously Google is uploading their music library, updating their music library. So June 2021 also getting you get the music from the Google. So don't just. And one more thing I like to share with you. This is the interesting part. If you want to see how many music you can get, the pages about, if I select the 100, then you can get the number. Here is the number, 1748 pages is available, and every page contained hundreds of musics. So what will be your opinion? This is my opinion. So you will get plenty of royalty-free music without any hesitation. You can use it in your YouTube content or anywhere you want. This is the royalty-free music. So my dear friend, I'm sharing the navigation. Just go to your YouTube studio or YouTube channel. Just you can visit from here, YouTube videos, then it will redirect to your content. On that page you can get a bar option. There is a menu options. This is the left side bar. You will get a menu option. This is the audio library, and here is the audio library. You can download it from here. So this is all about those who don't know about this ultimate treasure for the royalty-free music, and those who are struggling with the option of the copyright claim features. So options, in that case you can get rid of that by using these royalty-free musics for free. Thank you for watching. I suddenly heard that part. It's totally, I don't even use that part. I just thought, that's really challenging, and yeah, you have to spend a lot of time to choose your best one. So do that. It's free. You have to do that, and share with your friend, those who are interested, those who are using, those who are frustrated like me or you. So share with your friends so that they can use that royalty-free musics. I will share the link. I hope this link will be applicable on the description. I will share the link in the description so that you can directly navigate there. Also, I will share the navigation in the written on the description so that whenever you want to check out that, you can get the description. You can get the idea from the descriptions. Share with your friend, my dear friends, and let them know how they can save their time and save their energy. Thank you for watching. This is Govinda Darbdar. I see you in the next video. Tada.